How to change Facebook group name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find groups. Click on groups. Search for the group you want to change name of. If you don't find it here, you can click on search button at the top right and then search for your group. Click on the group and in here you'll find manage. Simply click on manage in here. In manage, simply scroll down to group settings and click on group settings in here. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on name and description at the top. And you'll be able to change name in here. Simply change the name and press on save and you're good to go. This is how to change Facebook group name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.